do you do on a rainy day?
Waiting for passenger.
Passenger.
Passenger seat belt. Seat belt in the passenger.
Watching Netflix and drinking alcohol.
Well, just last night I just lounged on my bed. Stay at home.
Find something to eat because we have no work. It's raining. We can't work outside
Taking a bath and roaming around just for happiness.
Probably I'm on work.
Okay, if you're not working, what do you do?
Just swiping to find some other works, like applying for other works for a better compensation.
Just like now, it's very rainy. There's a typhoon hitting in that just hit in our country. So we do some flood monitoring on the areas we're in. Also, we do help to the community to evacuate.
Sleep and watch movie.
Okay.
Yeah, sometimes we go out even if it's raining.
We have to protect ourselves. Of course, we have to be vigilant. But of course, we have to work also in typhoon because we have to do a living also. So life doesn't stop. Even though there is a typhoon, we have to do a job also. The typhoon is getting stronger.
It's always selfie time.
Yeah.
Sleeping. India and the street.
Nothing.
Make an alternative job. Selling food.
Selling food? Man.
This for me is normal. That rain is normal for me.
Also, then
Eating.
Chill. I'm in my house, take a rest, and take sleep.
6, 7.